Ahmedabad citizen Usha Behan is a courageous lady. She has fought a big battle with the help of Right to Information Act. Even a common lady can make herself prepared to fight for her own rights, and our judiciary cannot be the stone on the way for such brave lady. Usha Behan is living the miserable life with the disabled hand due to the severe attack of paralysis in past. But she possesses the same self-respect for herself as other ladies do. She has ability to change all the challenges into the opportunity, and the Right to Information Act has become the matter of celebration for her. Usha Behan was earning her bread and butter by running the simple, small public telephone booth on the footpath near D.K. Patel Hall in Naranpura, a posh locality of Ahmedabad city. The local corporator asked her to give 10,000 rupees to transfer the space of her booth on her name on government records.
કે મારું કેબિન જતું રહ્યું, મારો માલ સામાન જતો રહ્યો, મને ખાવા પીવાની તકલીફ પડી ગઈ, મને કોઈ આધાર નહોતો અને હું ઘરમાં ખાવા પીવા માટે તો વલખા મારવી પડી અને બેભાન હાલતમાં અહીંયા પડી રહી હતી.
Even facing the difficulties, she managed to give him 5,000 rupees. But she could not pay the rest amount of rupees 5,000 of the payoff to the corporator. And one day, tragedy occurred when her telephone booth was raised by the encroachment department of the city. Now she had to pay 5,000 rupees as a fees to the lawyer to get the 5,000 rupees back from the corporator. The ironical days were going on, and one day she got to know about the RTI while reading the newspaper. She got some more information on that from the seminar in the city on RTI. Usha Behan filed the first application of RTI to the municipal corporation demanding the information on the rehabilitation of disabled people for their upliftment, employment and empowerment. However, the officers did not give her any information, and she was shuttling from here to there to get the information. The brave lady, habitual to fight single-handedly, applied to the Chief Information Commissioner of the state. During the hearing of her application, the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation officers stated to the Chief Information Commissioner that they have no provision in their rule book to allot the land to disabled people. But Usha Behan got to know from the Blind People's Association of Ahmedabad, which helped her set the telephone booth in the past, that Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation used to allot the land to disabled people. Usha Behan submitted copies of such allotment letters of other beneficiaries to the Chief Information Commissioner. The officers of the corporation got the reprimand, and the commissioner ordered to the corporation authorities to do needful in the matter of Usha Behan.
આ કાયદાની લડતથી આપણે જોરદાર લડત લડીશું અને એની જીત પણ મેળવી છે.
The Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation was made to allot the land to Usha Behan for her cabin under the scheme of rehabilitation of disabled people. And today, Usha Behan is running her own cabin of PCO on the footpath near GB Shah College with pride. When Usha Behan was groping in the darkness while her battle with the authorities, the RTI became the torchlight for her to lead towards the right way. If the RTI would not existed, she had to lose everything on her side in this battle. She has paved the path for others by using the RTI without losing the heart, and she has become the guide to other helpless people like her only.